Let me show you how to transform your black walls into an Art Deco masterpiece. Let's get into it. Just grab some chalk or pencil and draw your design on the wall, whatever you want. Then fill in your design with gold leaf glue using a foam brush. There's my assistant, Kenya, filling in the design that I drew out. Hey girl, hey. Next, you have to wait till your glue dries completely clear. Then you can start to apply the gold leaf squares. Make sure you overlap your squares just a little. Then smooth each square down with your hand. And don't worry if it's not perfect. That's the beauty in this technique. See how good this is looking? Once all your glue is covered in the gold leaf squares, take a clean chip brush and gently brush away all the excess gold leaf. Now this next step can get a little messy because gold leaf is going to be flying everywhere. So just get you some plastic, lay it out on the floor, and you'll be just fine. Okay guys, that's it. You're done. Look at this transformation in just 3 easy steps.